Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Here is Laurie Bailey with EURUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Yesterday, the euro closed slightly lower, clearly influenced by the stock market, which fell during the second half of the US session. Overall, the euro continues its attempts to reach the target level of 1.0905. It started the day by trading higher, although the modern oscillator is currently decreasing. If the euro reached the designated level, it will form a divergence with the modern oscillator, providing a classic reversal pattern. On the 4-hour chart, the price approached the MACD line. It's a blue line on the graphic. If it consolidates below the 1.0850 mark, it will indicate the price intention to test the support at 1.0796. The signal line of the modern oscillator managed to settle below the zero line, increasing the probability of price breaking below the MACD line. However, we have an uptrend on the daily chart, so a sharp decline may turn out to be a false movement within the context of a complicated sideways correction. There are pivot points as a lifestyle. Evangelos Poulakis explains how to trade GBPUSD currency pair. Early in the European session, the British pound is trading around 1.2705 within a symmetrical three-angle pattern. And within the uptrend channel formed on the H4 chart since May 7. The British pound could break sharply the symmetrical triangle pattern in the next few hours, and we could expect a drop. This scenario will be valid only if GBPUSD breaks and consolidates below the 21 SMA, around 1.2685. Then it could reach the 200 EMA, located at 1.2572. On the contrary, in case the British pound consolidates above the weekly high of 1.2730 or makes a break above the symmetrical triangle, we could expect it to be a continuation of the bullish movement, and the instrument could reach plus 1.8 Muri, located at 1.2817, or could reach the top of the uptrend channel around 2770. The British pound has been consolidating at about 1.2700 since May 15. Above this area, the outlook could be positive. Below this zone, we could expect a technical correction, as the Eagle indicator is generating an overbought signal. Our trading plan for the next few hours is to sell the British pound only in case it falls below 1.2685, with targets at 1.2620, 2573, and the psychological level of 1.2500. What about NZDUSD currency pair? Arif Makmur describes. Even though on the 4-hour chart the NZD20 EMA commodity currency pair is above the 50 EMA, which indicates that buyers still dominate the current market, the appearance of deviations between kiwi price movements and the stochastic oscillator indicator gives a hint that in the near future NZDUSD has the potential to correct it to weaken. Where the 0.6067 level will try to be tested and broken downwards. If this level is successfully break downwards, the kiwi will continue its decline to the 0.6040. And if the momentum and volatility are supportive, then the 0.6001, that will be the next target to be aimed at. But all of these scenarios can become invalid if on its way to this target suddenly the kiwi strengthens again until it breaks above the 0.6133. That's all for today. See you online soon.